We'll take up the third and the last part of the chapter in the Kingdom of Fools, which is beginning from page number 25. Now there was a fight between the Guru and the disciple for death. The Guru and the disciple now got into a fight about who should go first. The king was puzzled by this behavior. He asked the Guru, "Why do you want to die?" "We chose him because we needed a fat man for the stake." Now the king was confused, totally puzzled, and he asked the Guru that why do you want to die? "We were looking for a fat man for the stake. We needed a fat man. Why have you come in between?" "You shouldn't ask me such questions. Put me to death first," replied the Guru. Then the Guru asked the king that don't ask me these types of questions, just put me to death. "Why? There's some mystery here. As a wise man, you must make me understand." Then the king asked the Guru about the mystery there, that what was the mystery there, he should know about it. "Will you promise to put me to death if I tell you?" asked the Guru. Then the Guru asked him that if I tell you the mystery about this, then will you put me to death after this? The king gave him his solemn word. Solemn means sincere words. The Guru took him aside out of the servant's earshot and whispered to him. तो गुरु किंग को एक साइड में लेके गए जहां पर उसके सर्वेंट भी उसको ना सुन पाए, एंड ही विस्पर्ड समथिंग इनटू हिज ईयर्स. डू यू नो why we want to die right now, the two of us, means me and my disciple? We have been all over the world, but we've never found a city like this or a king like you. Means they wandered the whole world, but they never found a king like you and the city like this. That stake is the stake of the God of justice. It's new. It has never had a criminal on it. Means it was the first stake for a criminal, fresh stake. Whoever dies on it first will be reborn as the king of this country. Means the person who will die on this stake first, he will become the king in his next birth, and whoever goes next will be the future minister of this country. और जो किंग के बाद मीन्स जो फर्स्ट पर्सन एग्जीक्यूट होने के बाद जो सेकंड पर्सन को इसके ऊपर एग्जीक्यूट किया जाएगा, ही विल बिकम द मिनिस्टर ऑफ दिस कंट्री. वी आर सिक ऑफ आर ascetic life. What does ascetic means? Not allowing yourself physical pleasure, especially for religious reasons. Now they were linked with religion, that's why they were not getting any physical pleasure, that's why they wanted to be died. It would be nice to enjoy ourselves as king and minister for a while. Means they wanted to be king and minister in their next birth, that's why they wanted to die at once. Now keep your word, my lord, and put us to death. Me first, remember. Then he asked the king that you gave me a promise, you promised me that you will hang me to death, so please hang me. The king was now thrown into deep thought. He didn't want to lose the kingdom to someone else in the next round of life. वो अपने अगले जन्म में अपने राज्य को खोना नहीं चाहता था. He needed time. He wanted to take some time for thinking. So he ordered the execution postponed to the next day and talked in secret with his minister. That's why उसने execution को postpone कर दिया next day के लिए, and he took a meeting with his secret meeting with his minister. It's not right for us to give over the kingdom to others in the next life. Then they started thinking कि अपने अगले जन्म में अपने राज्य को किसी और को देना सही नहीं है. Let's go on the stake ourselves and we'll be reborn as king and minister again. Holy men do not tell lies, he said, and the minister agreed. Holy man here means the Guru. Means the Guru never tells a lie, and they should go to death. Means the king and the minister, they should die in that moment, and they will become minister and king in their next life. So he told the executioners, "We'll send the criminals tonight. When the first man comes to you, put him to death first, then do the same to the second man. Those are my orders. Don't make any mistake." Now the king gave commands to the executioners that today night he will send the criminals, and the first man he will send, you will put him to death first, then I will send the second man, you will put that man to death after him, and you are not supposed to make any mistake in that. That night the king and the minister went secretly to the prison, released the guru and the disciple, disguised themselves as the two, and as arranged beforehand with loyal servants, were taken to the stake and promptly executed. Now what happened that night? The king and his minister, they secretly went to the prison and they released गुरु एंड द डिसाइपल. अब वो गुरु और डिसाइपल दोनों को वहां से फ्री कर देते हैं प्रिजन से, एंड दे डिस्गाइज्ड देमसेल्व्स एज द टू, मींस दे देमसेल्व्स बिकेम द गुरु एंड द डिसाइपल. एंड एज द किंग ordered the loyal servants beforehand that the two persons will be taken to the stake and promptly executed. Promptly means immediately. Now what happens? In place of guru and the disciple, the king and the minister were executed. Now after the bodies are removed from the stake, they are thrown to crows and the vultures. So when the bodies were taken down to be thrown to crows and vultures, the people panicked. Panicked means there was sudden feeling of fear that can't be controlled and stopped you from thinking clearly. They saw before them the dead bodies of the king and the minister. The city was in confusion. All people in the city were confused now to see the dead body of their king and the minister. All night they mourned and discussed the future of the kingdom. Now for the whole night they were feeling sad and they were discussing about the future of their kingdom. Some people suddenly thought of the guru and the disciple and caught up with them as they were preparing to leave town unnoticed. Now the guru and the disciple were just ready to leave the kingdom secretly. The people, we people need a king and a minister, said someone. Others agreed. They begged the guru and the disciple to be their king and their minister. It didn't take many arguments to persuade the disciple, but it took longer to persuade the guru. Now all the people of that kingdom went to the guru and disciple and they just asked them to be the king and the minister, as they needed king and the minister for their kingdom. It took the disciple no time to be convinced to be the minister. As you know, the disciple was very innocent and food lover. That's why it took them no time to convince him, but it took longer time to persuade the guru. उनको गुरु को मनाने में ज़्यादा टाइम लगा, as the guru was very wise. They finally agreed to rule the kingdom of the foolish king and the silly minister on the condition. Now the guru and the disciple were ready to rule the kingdom, but they gave a condition that they could change all the old laws. जितने भी पुराने कानून थे, नियम थे, they were going to change them. From then on, night would again be night and day would again be day. अब उस दिन के बाद, when the guru became the king and the disciple became the minister, the night would again be night. Night दोबारा से night हो गई और day दोबारा से day बन गया. Means the people started sleeping at night and they started working in the daytime. And you could get nothing from Adudu. It became like any other place. Means now you were not able to buy anything for Adudu. अब तुम एक डुडू देकर सब कुछ नहीं खरीद सकते थे. Now it became a place like other places were. It was no longer a kingdom of fools now. That's all about this chapter. Thank you so